Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on Redmi 14R. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open, and now click on this button to skip introduction. Then click on Not Now and click on Open Permissions. Then you have to click on AI Assistant, and here you have to click on Allow this app to display over other apps and click back. Now you have to click back again and you can click Start. And as you can see, here is my ChatGPT widget, so you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.